You welcome to Akosi TV. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Enjoy.
What do you mean? I don't know. Yada be now. Be a pamade shampoo mama. Don't find out the mommy. They mean what you may be. As I say, me what you may be more. I don't hear you. I don't know. For what better for mommy? Me say not on me 2 cities. Apart from some of prayers, me mean what you may be. Me what you may be. Me mean what you may be. Oh, me mean you me simple. They also got us a war. Now how's the one is me? Let me champion to make a money. To me what you may be. Me more. Oh, mammy say, what do mammy say? I'll be last 5 cities. However, it's about 5 cities. Mamma, 3. Hey, mammy, my phone got right. Me, mamma. And that's how today, mamma will cry. You got that house or no? Mamu kwa ye kata chaso na sati do. Bla mom me kwa bodu mo mama me na me kwa. Ani cook me wine. Ba it say e bomb me kwa bodu man to do why. Oh, bra. What on the bibia wo.
Well, home mommy says, your fat man, when you have you want to match it. That's not it. I'm from house.
Yeah.
That's all we come.
Why? Now.
That means try to mention. Why? Mahunya, why? What is it?
There you go.
Mahunya, why?
Opa, don't be easy.
That means I go to all that I did not think away. Mahunya, oh, I did not. I know what I done. I'll be happy. Usu what? Hey, co. What to be a soup? Was so sad. I don't know, sorry. What a cock. Yes, it does. Put to channel. Why? There's a shampoo. One I said, you I will sample what would you have apple for 20 people. I didn't woman, we are from Bonnet Pa. We are from Bonnet Pa. Who of about a country? Who of about a Bonamania? Who probably to play with Watchana? Or this is someone who you have a notice was simply. Oh, you are noticing so to our simply. Koto, and then was something. Better now, and then was something. Will be a woman beside you, and I will head to me. What was someone won't want it? Hot them. Oh, them. Oh, who does see how long? I didn't know. A dear pan of wood. Would I have Bama Sabra fear you? What I didn't know. Mammy can't in a house. Father,